Euphorbia tirucalli, commonly known as Indian tree spurge, naked lady, pencil tree, pencil cactus, fire stick, and milkbush, is a tree that grows in semi-arid tropical climates. A hydrocarbon plant, it produces a poisonous latex that can cause temporary blindness. It has a wide distribution in Africa and black clay soils, being prominently present in northeastern, central, and southern Africa. It may also be native in other parts of the continent as well as some surrounding islands in the Arabian Peninsula. It has been introduced to many other tropical regions such as Brazil, India, Vietnam, the Philippines, and Ghana. It grows in dry areas, especially the savanna, and is often used to feed cattle or as hedging. Resembling sea coral, Fire Stick Cactus is a striking evergreen succulent shrub, forming a thicket of brilliantly colored, loosely branching vertical stems as thin as pencils. The distinctive stems exhibit a reddish golden color which fades to yellow shades in summer before changing back to redder tones in winter. And when new, the stems bear small leaves that are inconspicuous and soon droop. Choose a location that has full sun and is well draining. This plant will grow in most any soil as long as it's fairly well draining. It will grow even in gravel beds and sandy soils. If the soil is heavy clay or not well draining, mix in equal parts of compost, peat moss, and original soil. Remove your plant from its container and plant so that the soil in the container is level with the surrounding soil. Water the plant thoroughly immediately after planting. Fire stick needs very little water, so water only when the top of the soil is completely dry. Popular companion plants for fire sticks include gold lantanas, little zebra grass, and liriopes. All parts of this plant are toxic if ingested. The milky sap may cause irritation to skin and eyes. Be very careful when handling this plant as the stems break easily and the milky sap can burn the skin. Toxic to dogs, cats, and horses.